Hi my kindreds, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're return subscriber, hey girl. So as y'all can tell from the title down below, you know we're getting ready because today is a girl. Well, by the time y'all see this video, my body would have passed already. But yeah guys, and actually I already came back from my little I'm just doing my intro. But if it is you want to see what it is I did, how it is like, you know, reach where I am, my hair got flat already and everything that happened already. But if it is you want to see what I did to get ready to head outside, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me and share on both Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah, rewinding because it's showing from the future. So, bye guys. Hi kindreds. So it's currently my birthday and we're gonna get a little, you know, gonna get a little blame or whatever. So I'll say I'm gonna bring you along with me. Along with me, and as y'all can see, we are the very beginning of this get ready with me because I just come out of the shower, my hair is wrapped up, I'm wet and everything. So if it is you wanna see what to do, you know what I gotta do. Okay. You gotta get a little dark for my neck guys. We have some lighting just now. But I finished dried off my face and I'm just putting on my moisturizer on my skin. This is what I have to treat these marks. It's already dark outside. So I'm supposed to be close already, and as you can see, I'm definitely not. Right? So yeah. Don't mind the noise in the background, guys. That's of course my daughter is watching TV at the moment. Right? Because I'm putting on makeup, I'm not putting too much of oil on my skin. So I'm using some cream here. This is not actually GRWM, I'm just using the bottle. Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body. Going in with this body spray from now. Let it be able to settle onto my skin. So it will smell like if my skin I got to my cover in pattern. So this is
only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You stuck in warm with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You studying more than with my heart. Didn't think you'd ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. Now don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me for. Don't let me up, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You studying more than one heart. Didn't think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Hurt me, yeah. Don't fuck me up, don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from you, rest in me.
Alright guys, so I'm just wearing this little black skirt here, and as you can see it have two gold buttons. Next I'm wearing this white top, and it's very knitted, see-through, and you know I gotta fix the girls in there, and it have drawstrings at the side, so you can make this into a crop top if you would like to, or you can make it how long you want to. It's all up to you, and I'm just gonna tuck those strings and decide how I wanted to wear my top. Next, this will be the shoes that I'm wearing. I'm wearing it, you know, I don't know if I call these kitten heels, but yeah, these are my rings. And then I'm wearing this little blazer over me. And this is my purse that I'll be wearing. I decided not to wear the chain. I'll just wear it in my hand. This could have fit all that I needed for the afternoon. Let's put on my fragrance. And yeah, guys, that was it. So let me know what y'all think about this, how y'all found I look. I was pretty casual, but you know, so cute and whatever. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink, he was holding me to the right, but it will be.